Natalie, this outfit of mine is giving me uncle vibes. You know what I hear in my head all day? Hey? You know who Belbuff DeVoe is now? Because he's not a chund. I think this is the year we bring back the year. You know, like the Chinese have the year of the rabbit. I think this is the year of the Anki. We're bringing uncles back to the club environment. You know what I'm saying? This thing make me go like I just want to dance to Poison from Belbuff DeVoe. Poison. You know Poison. The situation is serious. I think we should make this year the year of the Anki. We bring back nighttime skit. We've let these children mess around. They've now gone to a different place Natalie. Hulle hou nou disco in die oggend by coffee shops. Ons moet old school terugbring. We dress like us again. Stand outside. Koppel lang nek biere. Your chommies are still smoking Chesterfield. Stuyvesant. Not a vape en 'n pakkie. Wat is die goeie? Nicotine onder die lip. Die kinders het dit te ver gevat. It's time that we bring it back home. This December is the year of the Anki. We're listening to Belbuff DeVoe. Situation is poison. Yeah, we're also bringing gout back. And we're also going to ask you to drop the volume of the music in a skit while we're there.
Bringing gout back.
We're bringing gout back. Situation is poison.